We at Talladega County Health Department strive and offer an excellent health care and customer service to our patients, clients, and community. We don't just do COVID. Let me share with you what we do. We do Pap smears, breast exams, mammograms, birth control, STD testing, childhood vaccines, WIC, and environmental services. We also issue birth, death, and marriage certificates. I'm Becky, and I'm your clinic nursing supervisor, and we're here for you.
Hi, my name is Robin Merkel. I'm the nurse practitioner for the Talladega County Health Department. I will be doing your physical exams, prescribing birth control, and helping to guide you on a path to healthy choices. We will be doing Pap smears, breast exams, and other screenings to help you better understand your health standing and improve your lifestyle choices. I look forward to working with you.
Our staff nurses are here to provide the utmost respect and care for our patients. During a visit, whether it be an exam, immunization, or just a recheck, we provide the professional care for our patients with up-to-date information so that you will be in control of your health care. I am Pamela Wallace, and I am proud to serve in this community as a staff nurse.
Hi, I'm Sherry. I'm the clinic aide at Talladega County Health Department. I really enjoy talking to my patients and getting to know them as I work them up and draw their blood. We here at the Talladega Health Department treat all our patients with the utmost care and respect and are so appreciative of them.
Beyond our front doors, you'll find the friendliest clerks ready to serve. We are the heart of the operation, processing you through to the correct department. We are committed to serving our community in the healthiest way possible. I'm Alex, and we all look forward to seeing you here.
Hi, I'm Amy, one of the WIC nutritionists. Here at the Talladega County Health Department, we certify participants in the WIC program, Women, Infants, and Children Supplemental Nutrition Feeding Program. We serve women who are prenatal, postpartum up to 6 months, and breastfeeding moms up to 12 months, along with their infants and children up to 5 years old may apply. A visit begins with our clerical staff verifying your proof of eligibility. We require a valid ID, a proof of Alabama address, and income. If you are active in SNAP, Medicaid, or TANF, you already meet our income requirements. And if not, we can review 30 days of pay stubs. Our income guidelines are listed on our website. Then you'll meet with our nutritionist who will gather information about your weight, height, and check your iron for anemia. They'll ask you a series of questions to help meet your interests or concerns about feeding yourself and your family. Our staff are nutrition specialists who can provide information on eating during pregnancy, learning how to feed your new baby, and children as they grow. We can help with how much, how often to feed our kids, and easy ideas on adding more fruits and vegetables and activity into your day. We're here to help with any questions, big or small, you may have along the journey and provide practical, sound help. We provide our breastfeeding moms with encouragement through lactation consultants on staff and pumps at no cost. Every mother has free access to our Pacify app. It provides 24/7 telehealth visits to solve issues they may face. At the end of your visit, you'll review nutrition education for your age and stage, your food list and how to shop with your WIC card at the store, and our nutrition app, WIC Shopper app, links your card to your WIC account and shows you an active balance and access to nutrition education, plus you can add appointment reminders. WIC is here to provide support not only through food, but education and encouragement in practical and healthy low-cost ideas to feed your family. Our goal is to support the families of Talladega County for a healthier future.
As a public health senior environmentalist in Talladega County, I do a variety of duties ranging from food inspections, inspecting body art facilities, investigating foodborne outbreaks and complaints, and inspecting and permitting on-site sewage systems. We also do animal cases, animal bite cases, investigating those, as well as complaints regarding sewage outbreaks, sewage leaks, and any other issues that may be a public health hazard. In addition to doing on-site sewage complaints, we also do solid waste permitting for companies that work in and around Talladega County. We also offer and help with the solid waste exemption program.
This is Angela Swain. She is the Outreach and Education Worker for All Kids. All Kids is a low-cost, comprehensive healthcare coverage program for eligible children under the age of 19.
Hi, I'm Tracy. I work here at the Talladega County Health Department. My role is that if any patient comes in and they test positive for an STD, I contact that patient, notify them of their positive lab. I also schedule them an appointment to come in to receive their free treatment. And then once the patient is in the clinic, I follow through with partner notification to complete the cycle of ending the STD.
Hello. My name is Paula. I work at Talladega County Health Department. I am a care coordinator here. I provide care coordination services to my families with lead, early Head Start, newborn screenings, and newborn hearings. I look forward to working with you and your family.